Peas and Spinach Soup. Start your weight loss journey with a nutrient-packed pea and spinach soup. Combine fresh or frozen green peas with spinach, vegetable broth, and a touch of garlic. Blend the mixture into a smooth soup for a low-calorie, high-fiber meal that helps you stay full longer. Pea and Mint Salad. Create a refreshing salad by tossing green peas with fresh mint leaves, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Peas provide fiber and protein, while mint adds a burst of flavor without the need for calorie-laden dressings. Quinoa and Pea Pilaf. Cook quinoa and mix it with sautéed peas, diced bell peppers, and a sprinkle of your favorite herbs. Quinoa is a protein-rich grain, and the peas add a delightful sweetness while contributing to your daily fiber intake. Stir-fried pea and asparagus medley. Saute green peas with asparagus in a non-stick pan using minimal oil. This quick stir-fry is low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. The combination of peas and asparagus makes for a satisfying and nutritious side dish. Pea and avocado wrap. Make a weight loss-friendly wrap by filling a whole grain tortilla with mashed avocado, green peas, and a sprinkle of lemon juice. Avocado provides healthy fats, and the peas add a burst of freshness and fiber to keep you satisfied. Zucchini and pea fritters. Grate zucchini and mix it with green peas to create fritters. Cook them with a minimal amount of oil until golden brown. These fritters are a tasty, low-calorie alternative to traditional fried snacks, and they offer a good dose of fiber. Cauliflower and pea curry. Prepare a flavorful curry using cauliflower and green peas. Use spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander for added taste without extra calories. Cauliflower is low in calories, and peas contribute to the dish's nutritional content. Green pea hummus. Blend green peas with chickpeas, garlic, lemon juice, and a touch of olive oil to create a vibrant green pea hummus. This tasty dip is a nutritious alternative to traditional high-calorie spreads and can be paired with cut veggies for a satisfying snack. Spaghetti with pea pesto. Make a lighter pesto sauce by blending green peas, fresh basil, garlic, and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Toss the pea pesto with whole grain spaghetti for a filling and satisfying pasta dish without the excessive calories. Roasted Brussels sprouts and peas. Roast Brussels sprouts and peas with a drizzle of olive oil until caramelized. This low-calorie and high-fiber side dish is not only delicious but also supports your weight loss goals by providing essential nutrients without excess calories.